Okay, 1 second.
Happy birthday. Wait.
Go.
Happy birthday.
Go closer. Go closer.
To Bobby Annie.
Again.
Happy birthday.
Look at me. Look at me.
To Bobby Annie. Happy birthday to Bobby Annie. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Do you have a bracha that you want to say to Bobby for her birthday? What do you say when it's someone's birthday?
Okay, Dad. I'll speak to
Say
her when I
Mazal
get home.
Tov?
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I can't hear you.
Thank you.
Mazal Tov. Okay.
Mazel
Mazel Tov. Okay, now, okay, hold on. Now we're gonna take the cake to Bobby Annie. You together. Hold your hands together, each side. Okay, Shir, hold on. Look at the cake for Bobby Annie.
Happy
Hold on.
birthday.
Okay, come. Walk this way. Walk this way. Walk here. Walk here.
Birthday to Bobby Annie. Happy birthday.
Cute.
Yay! Look at the cake. Okay, careful. Put it on the table. Look at
Thank
that.
you very much.
What do you say,
Alicia, this is my birthday.
Alicia?
Hey. And what about Shiraya?
Shir, you want to say hi?
You have to sit on the table too, Nick. Hi. Near the cake.
Okay, any wishes for? I'll send this to Yerushalayim.
I wish you were here.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks for your calls, everybody.
Okay, this is Alicia at 1 month.
57 years to go.
Flee ein Hara. Amen. Here's Alicia. Bushliffen.
Okay.
And here's the beautiful cake.
Okay.
Avital and Noah, do you have any good wishes for Bobby? What do you say? Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
No?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, let's eat the cake.